1000 kVA loop feed pad mounted transformer. Delivered 2025 Canada. Rated 1000 kVA. 60 hair sewn in natural oil cooling. Primary 25 kV 150 kV build with same pairable connectors for dead front operation. Secondary 600Y3 for 7030 kV build with 4-hole spade terminals and grounding. In one vector group reduces triplet. Harmonics and handles load unbalance. Custom built for utility distribution networks, ensuring stability, reliability, and easy field installation.